You're here. You're here. You're here. I'm Dr. Alan Columbus. But we've no time to waste. Follow me. Those generators back online. When you're ready, just jump in and swim, of course. I would tell you where the generators are, but we sent our last engineer to get them, and he, Anyway, the generators are out there somewhere. Look for the connecting power cables. No doubt you'll find them. And the slimy water monsters, of course. But chin up, just think of sushi or something.
Did someone say my name?
No, Sasha! I said sushi! I'll open the door for you now. Best of luck.